How to fix Notion app crashing on your iPhone? Let's get started. So for that, first of all, close the Notion app completely and then reopen it again. Now, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection since a poor connection can cause the app to malfunction. After that, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. Once that's done, you want to head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Notion and then check for its update. If any update is available, you can simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. It's also a good idea to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Now after that, make sure you have enough space available as low storage can often affect app performances. If the problem still isn't fixed, you can simply uninstall the application by long pressing onto it, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, then tap on delete one more time. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.